Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to Lock Sport. This is a place where we open locks for fun. This is not a criminal enterprise. Actually, it's a public education enterprise. And your education today is going to consist of learning that just because a lock has a brand name on it that you recognize, that does not mean it's a good lock. We have here two locks. They're identical. They're twins. Stanley locks, 4 pinners, small locks. I mean, not built to protect Fort Knox, but nonetheless sold to the unassuming public for a good bit of money to protect their stuff. Well, we're going to see just how good these locks are. The first one we're going to rake. We're just going to run a pick through it and see how quick it opens. The second one we're going to single pin pick. So we're going to do that with this tension wrench. This is a homemade tension wrench from windshield wiper inserts. And the rake we're going to use is this Bogota. This is a Bogota rake made by Capiche. Custom made for me. I'm in love with this pick. And this is a homemade pick made out of a knife blade, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's a knife blade. I made this myself out in the shop doing nothing one day. Okay, so let's try this and see just how well these things work. So, hardest part is getting it in the frame. You can get this one out of the way here. Insert tension wrench. And insert pick. There it is. It opened that quickly. In fact, the hasp fell off. Flew off. So, anyhow, that's that one. And the next one, it's the same lock actually. We're going to single pin pick. What that means is we're going to take the tension wrench, insert it in the same manner, and then go in there and manipulate those pins. Hardest part about doing that these days is working with the camera. And there it is. This one at least didn't fly apart when it opened. So guys, Stanley. That's about all it takes to either rake or single pin pick these two particular locks. So, guys, have fun, keep it safe, and keep it legal.